Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today is Saturday. That means it's a review time on my channel. I am excited. Today we are reviewing another balloon garland kit from Shut. I haven't reviewed anything from them in quite a while, so today's the day. I will link and list everything that I will be using in this video for this setup in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. Without any further ado, let's go. I've been freezing all day today, you guys. Right now I feel so hot because of this coat. I finally got it in the mail yesterday, so I decided to wear it today because, as I said, I was freezing. It's very cute, like kind of like shaggy bear coats are really in right now. So if you're gonna be interested, it will be linked in the description under the video. Here is what you will receive after purchasing your kit from Shut. Let's open this up and see exactly what we have in our bag. First, we have a bag of 5-inch balloons in pink. Then we have larger size balloons. Looks like this is a 36-inch balloons and 12-inch balloons in different colors. Balloon tying tool, balloon strip, glue dots, banner, and instructions. Looks like this kit will look like this, and this banner would say happy birthday. And if you open this paper up, you'll see the instructions on how to construct this whole thing. I am ready to blow all of my balloons. To do so, I am using electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Love this thing, such a time saver. If you would like to purchase anything from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, you are welcome to use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. Also, this code valid for new customers only. We are working with a balloon strip. That means we are blowing our balloons individually and tying them individually using our balloon tying tool. So let's go. After you're done blowing your balloon, press your balloon against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape. Done blowing all of my balloons. To be honest, these 3 balloons threw me off a little bit because I've never used 36-inch balloons in my balloon strip. This is something new. We'll see. We're gonna use them anyways, and here I'm gonna show you how this kit looks on Amazon. This is Shut's listing. You can get this kit for $17.99, and this is how they styled this kit. To be honest, I don't really want to use any frames in this review just because not all of you guys have frames to play around and use for birthdays or for setups. I want to build a normal balloon garland out of my balloons and balloon strip, and then try to insert these 36-inch balloons in my strip while hanging my balloon garland from my backdrop. Time to construct our balloon garland. As you can see, this strip has 1 hole per balloon, so that means we're inserting our balloon into a hole, and you make sure that your knot is completely through the hole. Let it go, and that's all you do. Personally, I don't see a difference if you insert balloons on one side or alternate sides. I always insert my balloons on one side and it works. Balloon garland looks great. About skipping holes, I can't really give you an exact pattern when to skip holes. You just need to see it yourself. If you see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means you need to skip holes. To make my balloon garland, I will be mixing in 5-inch into my strip as well. I usually leave 5-inch balloons aside and then I fill in spaces with them. Today is going to be a little bit different. I am inserting them in my strip. right, my balloon garland is on my backdrop. Definitely something different from what I usually make. I've never incorporated 36-inch balloons into my strip, but it looks very unique. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I showed up close how I hang all of my garlands using fabric and backdrop like I did here, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks on my walls. Please check that video out. I do answer other questions as well, and that video will be helpful. Looks like I don't have to use any glue dots to fill in spaces on my garland because I used every single balloon that was included in the kit. So whatever we have left is to hang that banner, happy birthday, and we're done. Let's see what we have here. I love banners from Kete Shed. They always have really nice cardstock and very pretty letters, and yeah, just overall totally beautiful. Here is a quick up close on how I pinned my banners to my fabric. Just took a pin with the pearl on top, pierced through this ribbon, and pierced through the fabric a couple of times, and it holds pretty well. And here is what I have for you guys today. This is my final setup. I like the sign a lot. It's very pretty. It's very good quality. I like the whole concept of this thing. I like the colors. I like the quality of balloons. These white and silver balloons, they are extremely soft, very soft compared to my pink balloons. The pink balloons are soft, but not as soft as these. They kind of like, I was like, whoa, interesting. But you guys, here's the thing. I think, in my opinion, these 36-inch balloons, they are way too big for this setup. I rather have 16 or 18-inch balloons. They would fit perfectly into this garland, into this size of a kit. That's my opinion, but hey, different people, different preferences. If I would purchase this kit, I would probably take these 36-inch balloons out of the strip, out of the kit, and blow them with helium and put them somewhere on the side. I think it would be much cuter that way, but you would need a lot of helium too. So that's what I would do. Other than that, you guys, I think it's a very cute kit, a great price for all of this. I will link this kit in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is my review of Kete Shed Balloon Garland Kit. I hope this video was inspiring, was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be there. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscribe button for more videos and hopefully more inspirational videos. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!